that, my people.
Yeah.
Right here in St. Catherine. Bog Walk. Ken Village, Bog Walk. And we have on some serious monetary in the people. We have on that much. Chacha. How are you coming, brother?
Look for him.
You can see me?
You can see him?
What are you all boy are cooking?
RJ behind the camera.
RJ, I record. Yo, RJ, you see me? Rasta face. Chacha. Father, son.
Yeah.
I just want to record me, you know.
Yeah, man.
It's that here.
Oh.
Ever bless you one rate? Alright, alright. Like a white line. Alright, so when you open one camera because you can reach over here so fast. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. How much?
Yeah, mostly bike dance. You don't know any of you as your movie camera fire.
You ready what me I use? Because that me use to.
Well, no, use it.
Who know youngsters?
No, use it.
You said the youngsters are spoil up the world.
If I say something, you just can't pass.
Well, me no want the popcorn.
Why?
Popcorn I want use too. I want go.
I just said.
Some people them are kill me. Them are kill me because me hold. And I use two. When they want to use few.
And Jamaica, Jamaica, they roar with certain letters, certain colors, certain numbers.
Yeah.
They skip them out.
Who not spoil up something?
Bro.
Appreciate it.
Yes, people.
Yeah, man.
You don't know, say, ever bless the general.
In a cookie kitchen.
In a me kitchen. I come find Spanish and come in a me kitchen.
We're not going to cook today, my people. We're not going to cook no food today.
Yeah.
Kirky Outdoor has given me pig meat.
Hag. Wild meat. One day.
Some people, more want to stay tuned for Saturday and see the happy cook up where we're going.
Yeah.
Kirky, are you cooking again?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, run, see?
No, I'm not run.
Are you cooking?
Alright. I'm going to cook it then.
Yeah, go cooking.
Alright, yeah.
So we're going to do the season up and all that thing there?
No, just cut it up and make them mash it up then. And you want you could season it?
We put some pre-season pan.
Alright, and make them finish mash it up.
Oh, Miss Kirky, look how them motor run. Watch it. Them motor run.
When I say Kirky, I want maybe that. We not play with wild pig and wild hog. We want to go out there. One day working at the bush, Everglades call me and the Kirky, he might do a thing on the river. The same thing, right?
Yes, man.
And it's a link up some
Yes.
YouTube and thing.
Yes.
And the place well nice and thing. And he should do invite me a few times. Well.
Yes.
And you know I'm disappointed because me have something came up and thing. But this time I'm going to be there live and cooking or even one pot.
Never tell you this. Not done before the time. Oh, we can do that.
Alright, let me show you what
Some people, see.
Alright, see that? I gave him I gave him
Yeah,
a wild pig. I don't
See,
know. It is his piece here.
Yeah, man.
It is piece here.
You know me like Kirky, one of the Kirky.
Yeah.
You know me like about wild pig. Hold up the piece. That's the piece. You see the thinness of the skin.
The meat and
You see the thinness of the meat. That me love with wild pig.
And you see why no people, may I tell her, this thing I don't read and the truth is that thing.
Yeah.
Yes, you don't see. Wild pig can bust the bag again.
Yeah, man. So we get it more.
Yes, people. Yes, done, man. Go. Ever blessed.
Never
normal blessed.
Yes.
And the Kirky outdoor living, check in me people.
Yes.
And trying to put out the work and the unity.
Yes.
And I show with people.
Yes.
But me I tell you, me say one love. Any channels me follow Wildlife TV.
Yes.
The normal in the traffic.
Yes.
The normal vibe, family adventure. And one link. Then me I say yellow. Big up yourself. No, you gentlemen say, PJ.
Please only for Dream Island TV.
Dream Island TV. Cameron family.
Yes.
Cameron family
Yes.
TV. Don't know go.
Yes.
Love and unity.
Yes.
Seven Nation boom.
Yes.
Boom family and friend. George Houston.
Yes.
Done people. Sometimes I say why we are big up people sometimes. We have to do because I love and unity.
Yes.
I mean I say Kirky is love.
Yeah.
Only thing they are listening. Somebody at the road have listened me very carefully. But love and unity.
Yes,
people.
yes.
Real. Check
Yes.
That's what I want.
Big up yourself, me G.
Yeah.
Appreciate you so much.
One Kirky
Yeah.
outdoor living. For real,
Yes.
normal.
Some of people from the same kitchen. Look, me I watching from the live hour. I say, Kirky kitchen look decent. You see the wood, yeah? Them kind of long. I eat in my kitchen. 35 years what am I experience?
Yeah.
35 years what I experience.
I try to live the one man army.
As I go, my people, I may have another pumpkin and I have.
No, you get some more stuff because tomorrow I gonna get some more, try to get some pepper, okra, might be some breakfast, something.
Yes, but you come like your sponsor all of this event, yeah?
We are coming when we can offer and things like that. Only thing more I just cut up in, we'll try to come early, and that much. What time? Alright, that's a different.
That's a different setting. Some people, we only want to say food, I go cook and food, I go eat.
Come recognize, they say, what's your some famous part?
Yes.
So we didn't know for the cooking.
Yeah. We see your vibes all the time. I will in the of ends.
Yes, look at what happened when the river come in, it really messed me up. But I'm trying to sort it out, you know, I put it on a wall and stuff like that. But you know, ever blessed are the general.
Yes.
Here, let's do the thumbs up and share and turn on the bell and share. That is it.
Appreciate being here, my brother.
Yeah, man.
I slap on with the general.
Yeah, man, for real.
Real unity, boss.
Peace.
That don't have to change the name to. You have to change the name from Kirky Outdoor Living to Unity, boss. What do you think?
Anyone. And I see
people. You see it.
Yeah. When the comedy is love and enjoyment, and they shoot what they want, my pops are Indian dad, but boy, you know what they really.
It's sweet some people, man.
But really unsure people.
Yeah.
You know why when I really want broke out.
You don't worry yourself about that.
Guy something.
You don't worry yourself about that. Some of people stay tuned and watch out for more of this will come. And this is all that we're asking for in the YouTube space. Let us unite together and grow together. Subscribe to each other. Watch out each other video, my people.
Watch it out, man.
Yeah, man. My traveling family, welcome to another video. And today, we are back at Bog Walk. We are taking Bog Walk like our yard. And we are taking it on without fear. Not that, my people. Some of people, here we are. We are back at Bog Walk. We're going to be showing you exactly what we are seeing. Stay tuned and watch how we are going to take on the place today. Some people have shown you this area already. And we are continuing to show you the beauty. Some people that we'll be walking to. So we'll be doing a cooking vlog today. So today my people we're going to roast a pig. We're not roast the pig. We're going to cook a wild hog. And we're going to roast some breadfruit. And we're going to roast some yam. And we're going to roast potato. And we're going to roast everything we can find. And I want for you, my people, to enjoy what we're presenting to you today. And we have a couple of YouTubers here. We'll introduce you to them. And we have a couple more we are going to introduce you to later on. Because we are linked up. Yeah. And that's how everything comes down. So underneath the tent here, we have breadfruit and roast. Are you there? How we do today? Alright. Jamaica yard style.
There, whatever best job you do.
Again. We are taking on for that. You see it? You see you take on road like what?
I road like a white line.
Alright. And you do what? You have your medicine.
Yeah, man, I'm just working my boot.
Some people, the brother you new. Young YouTuber, my people, I'm going to be asking of you to check him out.
Jamaica Bushman.
I
take that page. 1 star boy 23. You see me?
That's how you go?
Yeah, man. Right, man.
Yeah.
You watch him on Instagram, you know what say, yo, one president.
Alright. Alright, and we are watching you. Alright, my brother. So in the meantime, we are going to iglue yourself with some things in. Now, I'm telling you exactly what you know. So we have some breadfruit out here. And we have, they have white rum. And we have some pork in there, sir. And we have, we have potato there, so we have plantain, we have, and we have some old potatoes there. And we have the great Wilbur. So Wilbur.
One ever.
That's where you go, my people. So people introduce Wilbur to you already. I'm going to ask him again for check him out. Introduce yourself, my brother.
I'm on Wilbur Adventures or Wilbur Ventures.
Yes.
Yeah, man. We do a lot of things, a lot of ventures we go through. You know? So just have to just stay tuned and subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
Just as you do to Everbless also.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We have great substance showing, you know?
Yeah.
So stay tuned, people, and us focus on where they are today, you know?
My people, if you want to know a little bit more about Wilbur, you check my comment section and see if me ever drop no video and not see comments in there. You just looking at the comment section. That's how we know, that's how we rate loyalty. I'm going to tell you, it's very rare right up a video you don't see in the comments. Some people, in the meantime, when I check him out, don't check out the comments and see and deal with me. Nice! And look, I want to say that the people, Bog Walk Fall go on with itself. Yeah, man. Some people, that's how we do it. And we walk through. And we have to take on and walk down, some people are showing exactly how the river go on. So, don't say me I repeat myself. I've shown you guys this spot I've grown already. But I'm not tired of showing it to you because the first time I show it to you guys, there wasn't so much greenery. Yeah, man. And some cleaning up needs to go on at the place. Yeah, man. We don't like to see it looking like this. This needs to clean up. And we already say, one tunnel there right there, so we go that way, 1 mile that way. And we have walked through that already because we take it on and we take it on without fear. You see? So that's how I think I go on with people. So I'm going to encourage you guys to stay tuned. Check me out on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Please, my people, like, share, and subscribe. Everbless Travel is taking your places and taking your places without fear. That's right. So we're walking. And we are showing you beautiful things and hidden gems as we go. And you take off a drone there now. And the drone here is courtesy of Errol. Big up yourself, Errol Thompson. You did a good job to Everbless Travel when you donate that drone, and I don't take it for granted. Yeah. So we are going to cook some food, and we are going to hold some vibes, and Jamaica yard style say, anyway.
Yeah, man. Anyway, Everbless there with it, I will have vibe.
Yes.
How we respond to St. Catherine?
I saw you take it on. And we respond to St. Catherine. Alright. Hey! Fire! Fire! Hey, you see them bread food that them easy for roast, I mean what you burn them up me cheese. So if any just make right like that. I mean slow fire. Some people are saying it now go on. So can we finish roasting bread food and take on the river go down that way? Yeah, man. Alright, we'll take on the river go down that way and show you my people how the river set up down there. Yeah! And this is the beautiful fall here. Yeah! Careful, brother. Are you ready, sir? We're outside! Outside, my people. Taking in this beautiful fall here. Right here in St. Catherine. Bog Walk, Kent Village, Bog Walk, aka St. Catherine. That's how you think come down. Yeah, man. So we are walking the street where we walk. We'll take a walk, my people, and show you some more of the river here. Awesome river. And my brother say your name. What is your name again? Tell me your name. You can't tell me too much time.
One Jamaica Bushman.
Alright.
On YouTube.
Alright.
TikTok, one Starboy 23. Instagram,
Yeah.
one President.
Yeah.
Check them out.
And you link up with one Everbless Travel.
One Everbless, Frank,
Yeah.
full on it.
You see.
One.
You can't have no Everbless no matter one that travel.
One in the world.
Yeah. I want to do one ever bless a travel.
Not true.
Alright, alright. Some of people will showcase. Yeah, man. So, Wilma, you want to walk the river down, sir? Eh? Alright. So we have some serious monetary difficulties. We have that much. So we have a lot of people that change the question now. So we have the is this specific? Come on, man. And then we have very high. Yeah. Like we said, all of this talk here, this courtesy of Kirky out all the day. You can say Kirky out all the day, you're a real hunter. And not only a hunter, you're a supporter of every travel. I just find you take a time out to go hunt this stick to me. Comes up here, my friend. Appreciate it. Alright, so where we're going to go? So this is Blessed on Chef to the blowout. So this is blended season. So we have onion, sweet pepper, hot pepper, cayenne, garlic. And what we have in there again? Anyway, we're going to slap your mama seeds. Yeah, we have some sweet. We're going to do it just like this. And later on, we hear about. Yeah, the plan is to touch them. I don't know why I approve, but later on when you're ready for eat. So, yeah, no. Now we have some more YouTubers that are rolling and be a part of this. So today, we're doing wild boar and roast food. That style. Have you ever heard of that? You hear about it? Should I read it?
You told me about eat wild.
I'm going to find out. My gosh. Today, not that today. I think I didn't want to have something that I couldn't see it. That's the one. You're going to the hills. I'm going to see you go to that much that So this is our table. It's a big concrete becomes our table. By slaves. And we have our season up, put on the pot on the fire, and then we'll take a walk on the river, right? Go show people in front of the school to come to cook, right? Yeah. Chef today, I don't help yourself. That's your style. That's a real chef that you do that, just help yourself. You get me? Yeah. When I can help yourself, some people can help themselves. That's how you say no. The minute I can help myself, I'm grateful. The chef would have put them for something. Quick and fast.
You need that today.
The bush.
Where's your city?
Yeah.
Bush style.
Yard style.
Yard style. I knew me well one time. I knew me well one time. That is it. Why did you not stop?
And get stuck again.
Anything one more carrot? So we are marinated together now. Really wild out. See what's happening earlier, pouring it up. So for those of you who always watch, I see they walk on the man and they go by one nice, they have to phone us to the I just hope that you guys enjoy. Wild out me. But that first come up wild out. Oh, wait. No, wait. That's the yellow that here. Alright.
This is the more burning now.
Yeah, man. So we covered on this now. I'm going to marinate. I'm going to show you. Beckford! See your potato here? Keep! Call him like a phone. Slow process better than no process. Be like you there now.
God and time.
Slow process is better than no process. Yeah, they're better than bad. Is it better than? Yeah. It's a TikTok kind of.
No process better than no process.
And it's like, keep. Call him like a phone. We don't rush it, alright? Rocket on the pot for the fire now. Rocket on the pot for the fire and just dash in while organized. Yeah. And then we'll take a little walk down so. Show some people, show people about the river is nice, the location is nice. The breeze just nice. Yeah. So as we say, my people looking forward. So as they start to get boring, wrong time. We have some whole more people we're going to introduce to you.
You get me?
As we go along.
You get me? Slow process better than no process.
Crap.
Call it like a phone. Yeah. Hell hot now. So we are going to make it hot because we want fire to come out there. Who wants the fire? Let's get it. That's cool around the place.
Wild out.
Wild out the man can have a bullet. Watch it, sir. Watch it, yes.
Straight. A big shot and
Watch it.
Ah, make sure you know just before.
jump cool.
Will that the back of the front there.
Tina wasted.
Lock it up on.
Now what is it? Nah, what?
But they won't shoot up now.
Right, Turkey. You pull up the pattern and me, brother. We're not on the side, right?
No, I keep it. I'll talk about it.
Man, put that in iPad.
Eh?
Put in iPad. Yeah.
Why?
Do it, listen to me, I say, man. No, chef, no, man. Put this in iPad. When you add, it does stick.
You're going to make it brown now?
It does stick.
Where's the attack you want me? Extra safe, extra safe, come up with a wheel. Okay, so now, what are we calling? Everything we have there was like a different spot. You don't know what now? Alright. We should have come right now.
Go back, back. Watch out.
Guys, look. Body of shape, you know. Body of it. Okay, man.
Pretty, yeah. So pretty people it's like the pretty people.
I know, we're lucky though. Let's see if you're right, look at it.
Burn him. No, it's the one to burn him.
If you some food in the breeze, I will take you in.
Outside.
Yeah, man.
Trenton upon.
Wild boar.
It's a wild boar.
Well, this time, what you say? What you start going to pinch it now?
Want some of them, add some pepper, some more seasoning. Cause none of them money are not chef, you know. What's it? None of them are not chef, you know.
So you say man and a chef, the man and a chef, the man and a chef, I walk one.
The man and a chef.
Yeah, all done with.
I'm here run off what?
Alright, you take over you know.
I'm here take over.
Alright, so who would have been a job? Everbless or Elite?
I'm here with that. I'm here with that.
I will ba.
Straight up, man.
Alright, we have been on by. Hey! What you frightened for, brother? Yo! If we're going to start and none of it and we're going to start. Oh, that's all.
Lifestyle in the building.
Welcome, son. Welcome, son. You're not up in the mouth. You never hear about me. Say me a loud man.
You hear that?
What, that's son?
Eh?
We're cook while like.
This is a while. I'm still in roasted fruit.
I team in blow.
I'm supposed to another one.
What team in here?
No, we're not talking up.
How long you tell? You're in the board. You're in the Why? Jaja. So whole for me to go eat to them, brother. A whole for me to you have to eat to him. We never know that. Oh, but that's it. Yeah.
I don't know more right now.
Oh, then you want to go?
When you're going to link up with the ever blessing now. We'll put in a blessing. I'm going to lay in a see this canal over here. Jamaica what? Alright. I'm here yard style with you. I would never spoil.
That is it.
Well, very first time.
Alright, that's the thing I come from. Oh yeah, these are people. Insane no nice. Or roast bread with over there, sir. Stay tuned, watch what I go. Cha-cha. How you coming here, brother? Yo! I saw you say that one. How you say? Ever bless travels. Hey!
Yeah, the river.
So what going on now? You coming on a danger, brother? The Rasta face. Oi. Now old man in the youth.
I can exercise, but but the skills, you know.
What that's all?
Yeah.
Now go tell you something what me know. Yeah, come on and take a look at come show you something what me see. Wait. Take your time, young boy, take your time.
Come on.
Father and son, the people. Them. So the tour guide Ginger are there. So I go tell father and son a little about what me know. Alright. Come in, my son. So take a look in this father and son.
Yeah.
Show you what the beauty of this place. Yeah. Kent Village, Bog Walk, St. Catherine. The history is in this place. Yeah. We are walk through. Yeah. See the size of this one here? We're 75. Yeah. Walk through this. Yeah. Wilbur Adventure. I walk with the mouth up in wide. I say, who have gone down here? So, for all the years, I jump on top of the road. I don't know certain things have gone down here. Alright. Believe. Yeah, man. Father, son, you alright? Father, son, you see what going on? Yeah. Alright. You go down so quick. You know, say look like a river come down. Because I see some silt that come down. You know, putting on the cross, look over. Yeah. Some of people see this pipe here. Look at this pipe here, my people. See? Okay. So the history we're showing them, my people, we don't know much about the history. The tour guide is not here. Yard style, same as the baby then time there. You see, a 2 pound can gain. Alright. Alright. So we just walk through, my people, and I show you what we are seeing with our naked eyes. We just show you again the history that lies in this place. Yeah, man. And we are walk through accordingly. Father, I travel through the sun and I show the sun the history I walk on. RG I walk with the mouth up in wide and I say in the 18th century. The 18th century is a whole heap of years ago that's in RG. And all these things, you know? Yeah. But when we keep on I said, well, Wilbur, it is sad that somebody had vandalized all these things. We should have the pipe same way for the history of the youths that are coming up, you know? Yeah. So we're walking through, my people. And we'll show you the history of this place. Just hoping that my people that you like and like what we're showing you. So you like, share and subscribe. Leave sweet comment for Ever Blessed Travels. At the same time, I'm encouraging my people to check me out on TikTok. Check me out on Facebook. Check me out on Instagram. And all of those goes by the name Ever Blessed Travel. You see. So we're going now. We're going to go harvest. Something we're going to harvest? Oh yeah, so I'm planting? So we last. We get caught up? Where are we at now?
Let's go.
So we take a look at time I walk through our people. Yes. I'm not just a tour guide there now.
Just the process.
Just the process? Yeah. Alright. God on time, you know? Jaja. So the history continues in this place, you know? So when the river come down, the water come up to this here, come all the way up to the side, sir?
Water go right up.
Right up here, sir? Jaja. Yeah. Yeah. So, father and son, this pipeline go all the way back round to the pool, round to the where you catch the fish last time, and the pump house round there. This pipeline.
Right, all the way to the pump
Yeah,
house.
but of them people just vandalize as they go.
Right, that is where the watch them stick me up.
Yeah.
I'll show now a piece of it.
So-
They stick me up.
So we still show you the pipeline.
All the way to the
Yeah,
pump
this pipe
house.
used to go there.
Back
I was
in the
just telling-
18th century.
Yeah, I was just saying that it's only a pity that they have to vandalize these, because if they were still there, would be a lot of history here that people could tour and, you
The
know.
man who come up with this construction.
Yard style.
Yeah, man.
Some people. Yard style of Yard style of the new tour guide to it. Ginger, no, they have to give you all of the history, so we are taking to it. Yard style as the tour guide today. Yeah. And look at group come down with people. We saw some whole heap of dirty, some whole heap of lily and them things that come down in the water, so we know say something is in the making, something about to happen. Yeah. RJ, you good? No man, a different adventure. Just look at what nice pool, don't?
Yeah. And how deep it is?
That again.
All the way.
That me I said it. Away from the vehicles, eh? So far that's on what you learned so far.
Well, what I learned, you know, as I said, the construction, what I see,
Yeah,
what them create from the 18th century.
yeah.
Hands up to the architect.
I tell you.
And I'm not the normal, them pipeline, the big.
And in the meantime, more you take a look over this and big up Father God. You see how far there, you see how far the rock there.
Hey,
The rock there.
God bless.
Yeah.
I said it on my vlogging a while ago.
Yeah.
I say if a man fall from there,
Yeah. To here, dust.
dust. Not normal.
Jaja. Yeah, man. So we have to go Father God, you know, because
Yeah.
the camera now will give you all of the justice, my people, but take
No
me,
justice.
watch me as me go. As I go, we go show you how far would this place go. See, it's all the way there, and all those rocks are hanging there. Jaja! And the greatest. All different type.
That is one I want 800 meters
Yo!
and more. You know?
Yo! I know nothing normal. I tell you
like
that.
a 800 meters more.
I tell you.
Although you can't say 800 meters because length.
Yeah, look up at it, look there. And look on the other great spot. Tree is all over. Trees. So trees don't need soil. So it's where trees get soil up so far in those rocks. Jaja.
God is the greatest.
God is the greatest.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. God is the greatest. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Jackie. I may have two Jackie will give me some good support, you know. One at Portmore and one at Canada. Big up yourself, Jackie. Especially one that know me.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, me one Jackie when I know me, no brother, and she always I tell somebody about the video there when she watch it for me. So big up yourself, Jackie, out of Canada. Continue to share the video with the friends. Oh, you mean? You might have more ever blessed, but I only one travel.
One ever blessed, Trevor. You understand, guys?
RJ, you're
One
good.
ever blessed.
Yeah. Let me help you up, RJ. Because one of them days I want you to help me too. Come, see there. So me help my friend. Help my friend. Yeah. Complete? Oh, that's that. Take time, RJ, take time.
The man are rough in the country. Man, rough in the guys. Like I'm rough still, because I don't want him soft.
No.
Yeah?
So I show you a complete. You might come to one piece, I show you a little piece of pipe for complete. So enough silk now for you stand up?
Eh?
Enough silk now for you stand up?
Yeah.
But you still not going to see the full
Right,
height.
complete.
No, you're not going to still see 8 feet.
Down here, settle.
Oh, but you have to still have a lot of silt in here. So some people can have an idea now how 8 feet by 8 feet.
8 by 8.
Yeah. So there's still a lot of silt on the floor here.
The diameter.
Yeah.
That is the diameter.
Yeah. Some people were moving along in this history here, history pipe. Yeah, man, the pipe that claims 33 life. And 33 life means your grandfather, didn't it? That's true?
Yeah.
Or your great grandfather?
I'm a grandfather.
All right. Yeah, man. So your grandfather is among the greatest. Okay. Oh, okay. Some of people the history. I can see the amount of concrete work that is in this area. Some of people. So far, have you subscribed to the channel? I'm gonna be asking that to my people to give me the handles and subscribe. I want you to also like. I want you to touch the notification bell that you'll be one of the first to be notified whenever Bless Travels upload a new vlog on Jamaica Yachts. Some people will continue to walk through this history place. Yeah, man. This is what? Wild Cocoa?
Yeah, wild cocoa.
Father and son, big up yourself.
So big up ever blessed.
Hey, you know, so me like when man loud.
So big up ever blessed. Shout it out, no, man.
Loud me up, no man.
Loud it up, RJ, man. Big up ever blessed.
Shout out, yell up on your friend, yell up on your friend, yell up on your friend.
Who are yellow?
Son, you have to rough like
me,
yeah,
man.
you have to go low like your daddy. Halfway like your daddy. Quarter way like your daddy. Something. Raw goes, but with a native road. So, as a whole boy now, where part me go walk?
That me, I said.
Alright. Me come through yesterday there. Go. Go up, young boy.
Alright, don't move on that.
Don't move on this, don't move. Record me, I come up. See me there? Look for me.
Look for him.
You can see me?
You can see him?
Watch how your old boy I come up now.
RJ behind the camera.
RJ, I record. Yo, RJ, you see me? Rasta face. Father, son.
Yeah.
I just want to record me, you know.
Yeah, man.
It's a tear.
Oh.
Ever bless you one rate. Alright, let's go. Alright,
Look at this then there.
stand up here, stand up here. Alright,
Me
let me see how you're useful.
Me?
You climb out a wall.
You climb out the road now.
Wall.
That was a crab.
Alright, hold on for yourself. Yard style, come on, let me see how young boy tap up. Well up for yourself. Alright, come on, boy, Wilbur, come. You know, so you're not cold, come.
Well, we just forward up from this way now.
So Wilbur time now to come up. Wilbur time to come up. Look what see Wilbur come up out of wall. Alright, you reach up.
Alright, you hear that?
Some energy. Yeah. Alright, so one of the young boy that come up there, he need yard style. He need to be. But you see, boy, you know say young boy can't come up. Watch out!
No, I can't find
Hold on, I'll Wilbur for you.
Alright, some people are going that way. So we just get out of some people. For all of you who have been traveling on this part of the ground, did you know that we have such history beyond us? So, you wasn't able to traverse it, but Everbless is able to go there for you and show it to you, my people. I'm going to be asking of you, my people, to be appreciative.
Right.
Yeah, man. Show us some love as the team. So you're like a white line, you know? Alright. Like a white line. Alright, so I want to open one camera because you can reach over here so fast. Alright. See what I come there? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I check out with 2 breadfruits. Yes, Kirky. Kirky, pick out. Mama Ivan. That's Big up yourself, my brother. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, my brother. Appreciate you having me here.
So now that you
You see it? Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. Yeah, man. Yard style, Jamaica yard style. Yeah, we have well at it. Yeah, for Turkey. Turkey send the coin pay one. The man them say Turkey send the coin pay one. So I took come number. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, in my one bad public. Yeah, man, that's where you go, man. That's where you go. See you, man. See you.
Everybody.
Yeah. You see it. Yes. Come inside, Dream. How long does it travel the road there?
Eh?
How long does it travel the road there?
The road, 45 years, man.
So you know all the people?
Yeah, one time.
You see it?
Yeah, somebody showed me it one time.
Yeah.
Stop and look. I look over there and one, you know, something I always say, probably about 20 years or 25 years ago. They always say when I did me walk and look funny.
My brother, you want to walk go that way?
I know we don't walk, I know we just are.
You need to walk go that way. For the history of the pipe.
It was beautiful place.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
No water in the West Jamaica, most beautiful man.
That's all, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Every place I make sure and show it as it is.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yes. We just want Ken Village to wake up and realize they have a whole heap of history in here. Yeah.
I look at that pipe here.
Yeah. That pipe down there is where the 33 man died.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
You're not so seeing that?
No, I didn't that.
This is what time.
Yeah.
When you want to
What's
going on?
Yeah. Appreciate you being here, you know?
Yeah.
If I
witness it.
so I'm going to say witness there.
Take up care about that certain time, no?
Yeah. There's a tree line and family, man.
Why can't take damage?
You see, yeah, man. The big up camera.
So yeah, man, let's have the camera from the TV. It's not here today because we have others to deal with. We don't know much love and appreciation stay with everybody in the party.
I come and spread that shit a little bit about the struggle. Appreciate it. We're not. All right. That's it. How you on today? How you on today? Sexy sturdy, yeah. Your new car. Welcome to the YouTube.
This is my son.
Yeah.
Your son?
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
So, Fabian,
Have a best son, you know.
you find Naomi?
Aku ya.
Oh, you don't know what
You find
Easily.
cool. Oh, you me. Me know.
They don't know that when they stand up and stand out. They can't get.
Can't miss it.
Now look at you, oh, fishy, man.
What down in the grass?
Oh, he was looking for the fruit sky over the other side, but in the days they're over that side.
Okay. All right. Naomi J, come out. Naomi, like it. We have been waiting for a long while.
Well, I don't remember anything. I don't remember anything.
Work with me.
Remember sexy.
What answer?
I have to check out the kitchen door.
Huh?
I have to check it out.
I check out the dream island.
Yeah. I love.
Camera and family TV.
Yeah, man. On zero. Yeah, man. From the TV. Memories don't live like people do. Always live with the recording.
Naomi J, aka Sexy Sturdians.
Say that again.
Naomi J, aka Sexy Sturdians.
I show them why I name. Show them why I name. Show them why I name. Yeah.
Where you say a while ago?
Sexy Sturdians.
Oh, yeah. You see, you're original, you know. You make sure you say sexy part. Yeah. You know, so that part there we are work with. You must remember that part. You must remember that.
When I hear walk by, you don't know that's on walk.
Lord God.
So when I hear them,
Ivan and Whitney.
yo, we catch you. Just stay tuned on this one.
Ivan and Whitney Kitchens.
One cool man. You see what it is?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I play things from there.
Each one bill one. I don't say go father. Each one bill one.
Some people want to just take the time out to highlight a little bit more what is going on today. Ever Blessed Travels has planned this event, and we're having a cook and roast. So we're cooking pork and we're roasting food. And some people, this is not the first event that Ever Blessed has planned. This is gonna be the fourth one. The fourth planned link up. The first one was in Kent Village where we do the wood park, and then secondly we do the tunnel walk. So the tunnel walk that was organized by Ever Blessed, and now we are doing a little that's on the second one. That's on the three tunnel.
Second, we have to work with third.
No,
All the people have heard.
stop confuse the words. Stop follow the world and confuse everything. This is the second link up. If you don't like what me just say, you can feel and jump off down in the river because that's where you go.
Hold on. Me can't go jump up, but not me and him.
Well, me I tell you, say, me don't want to not kill me for you right there what me I use because that's me use to. Who know youngsters? You say the youngsters are spoil up the world.
If I say something, you just can't pass.
Well, me no want to popcorn.
Why?
Popcorn I want to use two. I want to go.
Adjust yourself.
Some people them are kill me. Them are kill me because me hold. And I use two. When they want to use few.
And Jamaica, Jamaica, then the roar with certain letters, certain colors, certain numbers.
Yeah.
Just skip them out.
Who not spoil up something?
Bro, I see a mankind make the numbers them, the joke.
Yeah.
So when I must get this time to skip out, some people want to skip it
Who
out.
not spoil up the place?
Now, spoil up,
you mean?
skip them out.
Yeah.
You understand?
Who not start to all boy cat kill Christmas? Who not see who not stop it? Who not generation stop decorating now?
For me generation of Christmas used to be a God show and them thing that they on TV. Christmas nowadays we not sitting like that. Nowadays there are people not even know what I mean.
Me not like the idea when they stop decorating now.
You understand?
We used to decorate the house and we just Christmas.
No, we decorate my house.
I don't know what is wrong with some of these people.
Right now I'm at Christmas tree.
So you believe in a decoration?
Me like to see, me like when we drive around the place and see everywhere pretty.
You like to see it?
Dream I like talk to me. Come try, come help me out there. The young people they don't want to use number 2.
Me neither. I want them to come to my number.
And them are water down Christmas too. Some people, me I go stick to Dream Island because me and Dream Island, you know, we are age group and we don't like how young people might deal with this. They don't want to use, they find out who they use and cook. They use stick. We not grow up the way there. Why? Watch it. He pile up to me people, he pile up.
Why?
He pile up. Dream Island, we now let go off our culture. We are continuing to decorate the house when it comes Christmas. And now you J come over and say a video me.
I love Christmas.
So now you me. We are cook up. We are cook up. We are cook up. Alright. You know, you eat roast beetroot. You eat roast potato. You eat roast plant. You eat roast egg. You eat roast pumpkin. So we have another company of people, so stay tuned as we look for Toby lifestyle, smoke and kill it. We're ginger there. We're going to boil it. We're going to boil it in that.
Yeah, well. Like Stockman water?
Yeah, something like that. So they could live like on 90 banks of those. But the problem that we will be having is that when the river come down, right. I think they wash away. You understand what I mean?
So, how the heck? How did you reach down here?
They walk up there. But you have to have great balance.
Sorry, my balance is off. I'm sorry, my balance is
Yes.
off. But I like the view.
Yes. Alright, let me show you. Let me show you here. Alright. Are you see right there? You see right where that rock is at? That's where the 1 mile tunnel ends. Through the hill. The tunnel will come through that hill.
Through here?
Yeah.
It's gonna feel like the place is moving on me. So I'm gonna hyperventilate.
Some people have this kind of problem.
Yes. Even at home, I can't sleep in the dark because honestly, I hyperventilate a lot.
and you see how high? Yeah. All right. So today, the flavor blessings are to serve. We're cooking wild pork. And it is coming to the final where we're going to put our plate. And we're stirring now, we're turning now. And you see anytime then when they put it down cook, and in my plate it I go. I'm going to say, come out of my plate. Where part it I go?
I don't eat pork, but that's it.
All
You
right.
can enjoy it.
Alright. You see that? I'm never telling you this. In a yaso, I don't know, clear thing.
And then no fake.
And I'll never bless Jamaica.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Right, then we'll look at
Keep. Slow process is better than no process. Call them like a pig. Sorry, like a pig.
You ready?
Hey, you button up. Yeah, man. Lock you up.
Yeah, the place, man.
Yeah, we're going to share out your man.
Please, can you use it?
another napkin.
Now, if you not come in, then walk by, you know. Then you stop walk by. Respect. No, down there. So, see my shout out. Like, something
No, I like, when the hand black, I like touch like breadfruit, you understand? So we feel we have something for all it.
So, this is what we are doing right now. Put your hands up and say, things are quiet. Four miles,
Yeah.
and it's a fight.
Right,
Everybody just do the thing.
Everybody has chef today.
So, here when church, that's the word church. Everyone says, I love you.
I tell me them not
Yeah, man, I really serious, man.
You know what you're not saying?
But I love to all my brothers and sisters. No, let us imagine everybody.
Brother, you know what?
Strong breadfruit. Then I go for the back of the yard. You know,
respect them,
oh, that's all. I went to the I went to the street for the pastor. I get them everything from the people.
Yeah.
When you eat everything, you're looking at pork on your neck.
Like I say, can't roast and eat.
Tell yourself, when you eat the breadfruit, you're looking at pork on your neck. Number one, breadfruit in the center. There's not another breadfruit tree in the center. That's my practice. You want to have
You get that for the camera. Yeah, man, say number one breadfruit and say.
Oh, yeah, man, you're on the camera, man.
I know joke about it. And that means I know everybody got text at the yard.
Yeah.
But if it's yeah. Never send the people when they give them permission to pick it. And all the one they want to be
Yes, sir, it's already.
and then drag it over. I'm gonna have no problem with it. Yeah. Me have a problem here before yesterday because I called the guy and said, come pick up for me. You said nothing pay.
Yeah.
Same thing I'm paying about the breadfruit. The breadfruit and take some.
You want to peel all of them breadfruit.
Everything, man.
Because we don't hit them with them, we don't shoot them. One, this one, then one. This one, no, this one I want to go for. This one go for.
Where is it?
This one no go for. Butter, man.
Butter, salt.
They no play. That's it, everything.
Go and get it.
Wild.
The potato and the breadfruit, the potato they need to go and see. I want that alone.
It's not just feel like it, don't stress you out to do that one.
I think you call cook food. How you mean? Yeah. You glad somebody even eat on from morning?
Where's the empty?
Yeah, me I say it out brawling. You're going to see me going away on the way going on.
We're cooking a boat.
It's not anything about it. I just want to say thank you so much to everybody who's taking and watching today. It's a long video. Nice, start, sweet and spicy. You go all of the food, give our friends and family. Yeah. Olay.
Drop some breadfruit.
Drop some breadfruit in there.
Nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117,
so much people there.
Juicy.
Fine.
No,
You know your players.
they're doing them place.
Yeah. I deal with it.
That is it.
Wild boar.
That is it.
Alright.
Poor.
Probably lifestyle.
Yeah, me there.
What do you think? From father and son? Right to your father.
My age is poor
You might be father.
Yeah.
So Mr. Popular Man to Ever Bless Travels YouTube channel. Cha you to finally.
Yeah, man.
And the first time you link up, Ever Bless cook well porgy and I first me a cook it.
It is, I'm not tell you like that. No one. I'm not gonna tell you. You know me? Listen. I'm not gonna tell Ever Bless like I'm tell you. If this food, if it's bad one more time we call police.
Jesus, I'm afraid of police.
Yeah, man.
It's a team effort.
Yeah, man.
And Ever Bless Travels that tell us that we appreciate to being here today.
Yeah, man. Thanks, man.
Yes.
You guys, big up on yourself, big up Dreamer on TV, same way.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Right?
So anything.
This
You
one,
don't make up with the try in that.
that is a piece of knuckle this way.
Yeah.
It's a big foot, I didn't knuckle this
Yeah.
I didn't knuckle alone. See the guys, and the
Plate
plate
empty.
speak for itself.
Cha-cha.
Yeah, man, the plate speak.
Cha-cha.
Volume about the food.
Yeah, man. Team effort.
Yeah, man.
Team effort.
Watch out.
Man, a piece of knuckle.
Come on, smile a bit.
Yeah,
Mr.
man.
Ivan. I'll witness kitchen.
Yeah, man.
Because father and son 19, Ever Bless, you put your foot in this.
Cha-cha. You know, look here, we work hard. We work hard for
Give
it.
me a time for your share.
Kirky, I serve Kirky right.
Okay, no, man, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Especially the gravy.
Yeah.
Someone open gravy together.
Yeah. So we like it.
I've been appetite.
Cha-cha. So
Water, this is
it's not going to be the first. We're going to always do this continuously. And if we're not there, St. Catherine, we'll be there, Clarion. And if we're not there, Spanish Town, we're there, we'll have a beer. Look out for me down there. If you block your road, I'll pull you and come down there. All right. Gonna look out.
black man, we always walk with everybody.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. That's what I think of.
Yeah, some of the work from the knuckle here, guys.
Yeah, man.
And take you out, see there.
See there.
Those who don't know pig food, see there.
That is it.
Wild boar food.
That is it.
Bless up on yourself.
Yeah, man.
Every time.
Kirky out there a little bit. You miss it.
Man, me I tell you.
Give me the full name of your channel, my brother. All right. Some people don't check out the name there.
Check out the name.
And make him popular than he is.
Right.
All right.
That is it.
That is it. And bet we're still in it. And we still have few things about me. I lock it up because of a go. Jamaica walk by. Jamaica walk by. Jamaica walk by. Hold on. Pay attention to the plate there. You see when the food done and me call you how long? You turn up and say have fun with father and son.
Done. They're gonna eat mine now.
Who tell us the food there? You never hear about me yet? You never hear about me? Yeah, that's a three plate. Cha-cha. Pick, choose and refuse.
Look good now, man.
How you mean?
What's on the display? Play number one, Jamaica. Why?
Come on, the one.
Why?
Easy. No, take the one. Me not like the one. Something black in the one. Me not like that.
Jamaica first.
Yes, I will Jamaica first. Me not like that.
This no.
I am. Me not like that piece.
Jamaica walk by.
Yeah.
No joke, no dog. Why not?
Yes.
And take.
Yeah.
Come true.
Yeah, come true. I mean, you're not tell life on food.
Make a piece of bread, please.
All right. All right. See if you find piece of yam in the game. Yes. Give me piece of potato. I'm going to send a potato another.
Yeah. Potato, I know potato mighty.
A potato. Father and son, you don't see no more potato in there.
Granted.
How many people may I tell you that? I'm not table this year. I want a piece of concrete to a slave then.
No, then took by the left with table.
And the slave then left it away. Yeah, they were ancestors. Some people. Jaja, dive down in it to make a walk by. You deserve it. My youth, lock by the party, lock it back. Me no want you visit the party. Only somebody can visit it. Suppose I visit the party right now, father and son. Father and son, you can jump in the party if you feel like. You jump in a kitchen.
That's what I do. Okay, I'm sorry.
So two somebody can go in the party right now. And Naomi sex is 30 years. Father and son. Jaja. Jaja. Yeah, man.
McDonald's, man.
Yeah, man.
What is the life of sweet?
Yeah.
But there's no betting milk.
You see. So for all of the persons who feel like so they shouldn't link up with nobody and have fun, you have said the wrong thing and I do the wrong thing.
The real chef.
Yeah.
Who's the real chef?
Team effort today. We didn't have a chef here today.
Oh, you had a team effort.
A team effort we have here. I'll Dream Island help you cook. Yeah, man. It was a unity. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Oh, God.
Jaja. Yeah.
Running by the book. Me running by the book. Yeah, but me running by the book.
Yeah, man.
I got the people ever blessed.
Brother P, you see Pat behind you, open it and take out pork out of it and eat it. I appreciate you, my brother, for being here.
Yeah, that's cheap, girl.
Yeah.
Walk by that cheap, because you will not refuse.
You do, son? You do, son? I back up Rasta face. You do, son, brother.
Yeah, man.
Keep up your eyes on this, man.
So guys, to the right of the waterfall.
Yeah.
A lot of fun. The skin is not fatty.
Show the skin.
It's not fatty like the other.
Yeah, you see how thin that is because in the wine. So we decide to see a minute.
Yeah.
All right.
Them just eat like grass and
No joke.
Wild pig.
No joke. Yeah, man. It was
is it that they just eat like grass?
yeah, and you know they dig and they dig. Yeah, they dig what?
What people they get the post?
Eh?
They eat people too?
They're not getting nobody. They're not nobody to eat.
Oh, just ask.
Yeah. So then we eat all the fish.
Okay.
But like a sexy ass going in them way, you know what go happen.
Yeah, mostly bike dance. You don't know any of you as you move the camera for you. Think of a laugh, you laugh with you.
Yeah, no, honestly, because that time I saw book, I know so nobody's behind you. See you? See you? That's the thing I was talking. It was really good.
We guess them take on the street safely.
Alright, bye-bye.
Safe journey, safe journey.